Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play card games in Fallout New Vegas. Playing card games in the Mojave Wasteland is a fantastic way to earn some extra caps and boost your reputation with various factions. You will primarily encounter two distinct card games: the classic casino staple, blackjack, and the unique wasteland creation, caravan. We will explore the basic rules and winning strategies for both, helping you become a card shark in no time. Get ready to stack your chips and dominate the tables. Let's start with blackjack, a familiar game for many. Your objective is simple: achieve a hand total of 21, or a number higher than the dealer's without exceeding 21. Each card has its face value, with face cards counting as 10 and aces as either 1 or 11. You decide whether to hit for another card or stand with your current hand. Remember, going over 21 means you bust and lose your wager. Play smart and aim for that perfect 21. Now let's delve into Caravan, a game unique to the Mojave. The goal is to out-caravan your opponent by having 3 caravans, each with a value between 21 and 26. You play cards to your 3 stacks, using number cards for value and face cards for special effects. Matching suits or playing cards of the same rank can influence your opponent's stacks or your own. It's a strategic game of balancing offense and defense, so choose your cards wisely to build winning caravans. To maximize your chances of winning, here are a few key strategies. First, always begin with small wagers to familiarize yourself with the game's flow and your personal luck. Second, pay close attention to how the non-player characters play their hands. You might pick up on useful patterns or tells. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, always save your game before engaging in any high-stakes gambling. This allows you to reload if your luck takes a turn for the worse, preserving your hard-earned caps. Good luck, Wasteland Wanderer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.